So many of you have been asking me how to deliver a wonderful small espresso shot. So basically, you press here, you make sure there's enough coffee for a small espresso. That will be, I would say, less than 20 grams for sure. Now, once you've got it here, you stamp it. I know there are many people which will say that I don't stamp it correctly, but that's my way of doing it. And basically, as you can see, it's a little bit on tight, so you give it another stamp, make sure it's nice and neat, and there you go. Now it's nice and neat, so you just push it in. And right now we're gonna do one. You normally see that I do a double espresso, but today we're gonna do one. So you center it in the middle and ready to go. Now I always do a pre-infusion. Basically this means you press it for a while and the water goes in before the actual shot is made. And then there you go. You've got your wonderful espresso here. There we go. And now once you stop it, you've got here a wonderful espresso done. Let me know in the comments what you think.